Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at one of the best budget-friendly smartphones you can get right now, the Samsung Galaxy Unlocked Android phone. If you're looking for a reliable device that's unlocked, affordable, and packed with all the essential features without breaking the bank, this might be the perfect option for you. I'll walk you through the design, performance, and features so you can decide if it's the right fit for your needs. And if you're interested in checking it out for yourself, I've left the product links for you down below in the description. Let's dive in. Samsung Galaxy S23. Galaxy AI is here. Welcome to the era of mobile AI. With the Samsung Galaxy S23 in your hands, you can unlock new levels of creativity, productivity, and possibility, all starting with the device you use most, your smartphone. Experience AI features that change the way you interact with your world. Search like never before, get real-time call interpretation, transform your notes into clear summaries, and edit photos effortlessly, all powered by intelligent innovation. Capture unforgettable nights with Nightography, where night mode delivers brilliant selfies in any lighting, and share crystal-clear memories with a 50-megapixel high-resolution camera. For gamers, the Galaxy S23 packs a truly OP processor, ensuring smooth gameplay, less cooldown, and more wins. No matter where you are, Adaptive Vision Booster keeps your screen bright and content vivid, while the 3,900 mAh battery ensures you stay connected and in the moment without worry. With Galaxy S23, the future of mobile AI is in your hands. 4. Samsung Galaxy A36. The Galaxy A36 5G is built to deliver premium features at an incredible value, making it the perfect balance of style, performance, and reliability. With its expansive 6.7-inch display, your content comes to life in brilliant clarity, whether you're streaming, gaming, or scrolling. Searching is smarter than ever with Circle to Search with Google, while the enhanced front-facing camera and Nightography ensure your photos and videos always shine. Powerful editing tools like My Filter and Object Eraser let you polish shots in seconds, and the long-lasting battery with super-fast charging keeps you connected without interruption. Designed with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 for Galaxy and an advanced cooling system, it's built for smooth, high-performance gaming and multitasking. Plus, with water, dust, and dirt resistance, you can take on everyday life with confidence. Add in the convenience of Samsung Wallet, and the Galaxy A36 5G is truly affordably awesome, always reliable, and ready to elevate your everyday life. 3. Samsung Galaxy S25. Meet the Galaxy S25, your smarter, more powerful companion designed to make every moment seamless. Streamline your day with an assistant that truly gets you. With just one ask, it can Google search for a pet-friendly vegan restaurant nearby and text the details to your friend. Start the day smarter with Now Brief, keeping you one step ahead by delivering the info you need before you even think to ask. Capture life beautifully with the AI camera and audio eraser that reduce noise and reveal the magic in every low-light video. Portrait mode goes further, enhancing skin tones and preserving natural textures so every shot radiates clarity and confidence. And with our most powerful processor yet, the Galaxy S25 gives you more power to reimagine what's possible, whether you're translating calls, slowing down a video, or editing photos with effortless precision. 2. Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Move it, remove it, improve it. Capture the perfect shot and make it even better with Photo Assist powered by Galaxy AI, giving you smart suggestions and the ability to move, resize, or remove objects for post-worthy pics every time. Never be lost in translation again with real-time translations for text, calls, and conversations, all thanks to Galaxy AI. Slow-mo made simple. Just tap and hold with instant slow-mo to replay any video in epic detail. Do more with epic battery power as Galaxy S24 FE learns how you use your apps to stretch every charge. And when the lights go low, capture highlights in the dark with Night Portrait, where Galaxy AI Squid optimizes your shots to bring every detail to life. 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7. Bigger, yet slimmer than ever. Who would have thought wider could also mean lighter? The Galaxy Z Fold7 takes foldable design to the next level, refining its form to feel just like a traditional smartphone while offering an expanded cover display that gives you more room to see and do. Best camera on a fold yet. You asked for more, and now you've got it. an ultra-premium 200-megapixel camera powered by Samsung's Pro Visual Engine, delivering incredibly detailed photos and effortless pro-level shots right from your foldable. Screen share for streamlined assistance. Stumble across something that sparks curiosity? Go live with Google Gemini, screen share, or simply point your camera to instantly access deeper information or get help on the go. Do and view more, all at once. With its expansive 8-inch main display, you can multitask like never before, keeping up to 3 windows open at once, so productivity and entertainment go hand in hand. All the power and speed you need. Running on the customized Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, Galaxy Z Fold7 handles everything with ease. Streaming, editing, gaming, scrolling, and more, keeping your day smooth and efficient. Time-tested toughness. Built for durability, its advanced armor aluminum frame and Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 display mean the Fold7 is ready for anything your on-the-go lifestyle demands. Stay locked in without being plugged in. A powerhouse battery keeps pace with your busiest days, so you can create, work, and play without worry. Better together to better your health. Pair it with the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic to track your wellness on the move. Then dive into deeper insights on the Fold7's expansive screen. Expand the ways you stay ahead, whether glancing at daily briefings on the cover screen or unfolding for the ultimate immersive experience. Galaxy Z Fold7 redefines how you stay connected, productive, and ahead of the curve. Thanks so much for watching. If you're looking for an affordable Samsung Galaxy unlocked Android phone, I've linked the best options for you down below in the description. Don't forget to check them out and see which one fits your budget. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more product reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if you've tried one of these phones. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.